other side of the harbor from Georgetown, and this is called the Chat and Chill Island, or Chat and Chill. And we just finished a delicious Sunday pig roast, so I'll show you what was on the menu up here at Chat and Chill. See how many times I can say that in one video. So yeah, pig roast, peas and rice, mac and cheese, coleslaw, glazed carrots, and this is also where we had Mike's birthday dinner in there. It's a pretty awesome spot. And now I'll just go find Mike. This is the happening place for cruisers when the sun is out, because the rain has been out most mornings, so it's nice that the rain starts to go away. And of course the kids enjoy finding other kids. That's their main priority, and they have happened to. The kids are having a blast, and they are just glued to their friends that we met on a different boat called Marvin. And every time we hang out with these guys, they just love playing with the girls. Yes?
I'm playing with them.
You having fun?
Yeah.
So that's the fun thing about meeting other kids' boats, and Georgetown is definitely a hot spot. I think yesterday on the beach there were about 15 kids or something. Hey? 15 or so?
Yeah.
So what do you think of Chat and Chill?
That's great. Yeah,
Here come Clint and Aaron with the food.
Food that corresponds to their kids.
Here we go from the tree. Our kids are watching carefully, wondering if they will be allowed to do this.
That's part of the problem. Like, I don't want to commit, and I can't stand wasting food. Drives me nuts. Yeah, I'm on.
Jasmine, what do you think of that? Do you want to try jumping from the tree? Oh, of course you want to, Josh. No, we're not doing it. We're not. You're not gonna do it. Kids are making a fort, so I'm gonna come and check out what they've got going on over here for a tour. Okay guys, what are you doing?
Well, they're playing. We built a fort and they're finding treasure that Marla buried.
Nice, so this is the special fort. Just make sure you're not picking things like this, Haley, that are live branches.
I know.
We don't pick them off.
That's why they're covered in yellow.
Yeah, only the ones that are not already
Yes.
that are already picked.
Yeah.
So the kids are over there looking for treasure?
Yeah, they're playing the treasure.
All right, let's see. Hey guys, what are you finding?
We found a hidden treasure.
Treasure. Whoa, that doesn't look like treasure. That looks like garbage. Hey, what are you doing there, Josh? Oh, beautiful.
Where it is.
Nice. Very nice fort, guys. Good job. Have fun.
This is a good spot.
And it looks like things are just continuing to get busy here.
A huge what? Oh.
Oh.
What's going on here, Jasmine?
Hermit crabs. They're ignoring the walls. That guy climbed over the wall.
What are you building there, Haley?
Another spot for them.
Uh-huh.
I put one down in my little ditch.
Careful, Andrew.
And where did all these crabs come from?
Coconut.
A coconut.
Coconut in the middle.
All of these crabs came out of a coconut.
Except for one of them.
Except for one. Gotcha.
Most of them did. Found a couple
Fascinating. Well, we have an escapee over here. What do we do with the escapees?
Put them back in.
Okay.
Tell me about your finished product over here. What do we have going on? Tell me your finished product. Why not? How many crabs do you guys think are in here?
1,000.
1,000? I think 100 might be a little closer.
I'm voting like 50.
50?
Yeah, I'm voting 70.
70. This is a lot of crabs. You guys have built the best crab city I think I've ever seen. But they're escaping.
Yeah, some of them are starting to escape.
Oh, there's one. Escaped. That's pretty cool. Jasmine, what do you think of this crab city? Hey?
Really silly.
Really silly? I agree. Very cool.